Hey everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I've got a quick tutorial for you today, something I need to make up. I don't think I've done a video with this before. I've got some Jasper beads, colourful Jasper beads, 8mm. So I've got 12 8mm Jasper beads, 11 rose quartz 8mm beads. These are actually 6mm. I would normally go for an 8mm spacer bead, but 6mm does work well. So we've got 2, 4, 6, we've got 8 of those. Let's pop those there. I've got some 0.6mm elastic, a clip to stop the beads falling off, and my snips. Now, measure about 12 inches. I'll just give that a stretch. How are you all? What projects are you working on? Hello to all my new subscribers, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I've got hundreds of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner, and make sure you click on that notification bell because lots of people are joining and not clicking that notification bell. You really are missing out. So we'll start with one of the gold spacer beads. Now for 7 inches on one of them, I only need 2 rose quartz beads. Now I'm just using 2 to begin with. Another gold spacer bead. Then we do 3 of the colourful Jasper beads, lots of purples and blues. Thank you so much for all your orders. I really do appreciate it. I've had so many go out today. I did get all of them out from over the weekend. Make sure you get your goodies. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I have 10% off the £10 spend. So 3 more Jasper beads. Lots of Christmas charms have been flying out today. Please let me know what you're making. I'd love to see. Obviously we're not going to put a gold spacer bead there because we've got one there, and when we tie it together it will join up. Have to do this. I always like to do this. It's just something that I do. So we're going to do a surgeon's knot, and for those of you that don't know how to do a surgeon's knot, very easy. We do a simple overhand knot, then we do another one, but instead of going over just the once, we go over twice, and we pull, and we do one the other way. If you want to do one for luck, that's entirely up to you. If you want to add a dab of glue, again, entirely up to you. What I will do is snip off. I will snip off the ends, and then I will pull the knot through the bead so that hides it. My rose quartz and colourful jasper beaded bracelet. So I do hope you like that tutorial. If you do like this video, please could you give it a like, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click on that notification bell to get notifications when my next tutorial will go up. And if you can leave a comment down below, it just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction, and then they share my videos out to more people. Now, just for my regular subscribers, I just want to show you something at the end of this video. So that's the bracelet. I want to show you something. It's diamond art, and I am going to be gifting this to my sister. She loves German Shepherd dogs. We always had one when we were growing up, and this one has been put onto canvas and then treated over the top, so that's going nowhere. The only problem was a 10 by 10. This is 10 by 10, and it was so hard to find a 10 by 10 photo frame. So this is really nice. It's an oak frame. So I'm going to pop that into there, and that's going to be it's her birthday this week. So this is going towards her birthday present. So once again, handmade, and I know that she will love this. So for my regular subscribers, I didn't want to make a video out of this, but yeah, that's going to be her gift. So thank you so much, everyone. Take care and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye bye.